Oh my god, I told you I'm just over here.
Good morning. So it's Easter Sunday and we're at our host's place, Richard and Diana, and they actually offered us to stay another night and we agreed to that offer, and I just gonna take a break day on Easter Sunday, which is really nice. And actually there's this thing about holidays. Toby doesn't care that much about it, like Christmas and Easter and so on, but for me, on holidays I realize a bit more that I miss my family and my friends and so on, and it's a bit more emotional. Easter is not as big and emotional as Christmas, but still it's kind of, there are some more emotional days than others. But I'm gonna Skype soon with my family, and otherwise we're gonna have a nice day.
Come writers and critics who prophesize with your hands.
We'll let you know about the donation.
Okay, that'd be great, and I'll send you pictures.
That's
Sounds
great.
good. All right.
All right, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Oh no! So until now we had a nice lane in between those stone streets, and it was okay to cycle there, but that stopped now. Now you can go with like 5 or 6 km/h.
So the roads are just progressively getting worse and worse. And steeper, up and down. The more we are going along this lake. Now it's just proper gravel. Oh, and the gradients are getting just more insane as well. It's literally getting insanely steep. No, come on. Alright, so it's finally become uncyclable if that's a word.
So luckily the road changed to this again, and that's much better.
Yeah, asphalt. Oh. Yes. Oh. So we had a great evening and morning with our home showers host Fernando in Zamora, and it was really cool. And he recommended we go to this little lake here, Camecuaro, which is turning out to be a lot busier than we thought. Oh, a lot more touristy than we thought. But yeah, this is meant to be a really nice little lake, so we're looking forward to having a look at that. So this place really is a bit magical. It's really cool, and especially further back, it's not so busy. And you can actually go swimming here. You're allowed to go swimming here. So we're gonna go for a swim in the water. It's just crystal clear, and probably really, really cold. We'll see. Wow, everything is on fire here. Wow. Everything is on fire. And it's so smoky. Oh, that is intense on the eyes. Wow.
Today we're on our way to Teotihuacán, where we want to visit the Aztec ruins. And actually we're gonna meet Marlene and Lukas again. If you have watched our Turkey videos, you know them already, because they're an Austrian couple we met while we're still in Greece, but then cycled through Turkey with them for 3 weeks. And they arrived in Mexico a week ago. Yeah, and we're gonna spend 3 nights in an apartment with them. And we're really looking forward to that.
Yeah, that's really cool. Because we plan to meet again at some point along the way. We just didn't plan for it to be so soon. But yeah, several reasons brought them to Mexico pretty quick now, and us also faster than expected, to be honest, because we plan to cycle through the US for longer. Yep.
Yeah.
Come on! Oh, finally, we made it. And Marlene and Lukas should arrive, I don't know, within the next hour or something as well, so that's great. Die letzten 2 Tage dachte ich, auch so ein bisschen Land gehen, wir dachten, es
Das Risiko, wenn die einen So we're now at the pyramids of Teotihuacán, and this is the pyramid of the sun, and it's really impressive. It's really cool. And that is the pyramid of the moon. And we just heard that the pyramid of the sun is 65 meters high, but we couldn't overhear how high the pyramid of the moon is. But I guess we'll find a sign that says that. Oh man, break days, especially when you're meeting friends, just go by so quickly. And now we're just, the 2 of us again, and we had some really nice days visiting the pyramids and just talking quite a lot. It's nice to see them again, and maybe sometime in the future during the journey, maybe we'll meet for a 3rd time. Who knows?
In South America.
Yeah.
Slowly, 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 slowly. Oh, fuck off! We've actually been thinking about our upcoming route a little bit, and our original plan was to cycle through the rest of Mexico now south towards Guatemala and then take a bus from Guatemala through all the Central American countries to Costa Rica to get there at the beginning of June, because actually 2 friends of mine are coming to visit us in Costa Rica. So we'll be touring around there a bit for a while with the car though. But now, because also the upcoming weeks cycling through Mexico probably won't be so nice, because it's just going to be a lot of highway, because we do have a little bit of, partly highway because we do have some time pressure. We actually now thought about switching it around, that we take a bus maybe tomorrow from a bigger city we'll have to see that's nearby to the border to Guatemala, and then pretty much cycle through Guatemala, El Salvador, Honduras, Nicaragua to Costa Rica, because that will probably be the much more interesting route than to cycle through Mexico now. But yeah, we'll kind of see how that works out tomorrow.
That was a long bus ride, like 15 hours, but now we're in Comitán de Dominguez, which is pretty close to the Guatemalan border, and that means we're gonna leave Mexico much faster than we had actually planned. But we still spent almost 2 months already in the country, and we had a great time. We had different landscapes, from desert to now only seeing it from the bus, jungle. And we met great people and had great experiences.
We would definitely come back, see some other areas that we missed out now because our time was a bit limited, but
the riding wasn't always great, but it's always a mixture.
Sure.
So,
all right, then see you in the next video in Guatemala.